Good evening. It is 10:30 and we are staying the first evening in the Beck house. So, um it's dark and I'm wearing a lot of makeup because we went to a Christmas party on November 1st and we had to dress up. I'm hearing somebody in the hallway. There are apartments in here. Is the door locked?
Yes, it is.
Okay. So Mike and I are here. So the first thing that happened that felt like it made me say some swear words is on the way up, my box with my crystal ball in it. Fuck. Mike dropped it. Coming in to the hallway. And I don't think there's any scuffs on it. So, but also, my little goddess figurine that I purchased for Hecate stuff that I put candles in that I brought fell out of the box and broke. And I don't know if the base for my crystal ball broke. I haven't looked at it yet. Did this fall out of the box?
It was still wrapped up when it did.
So this apparently fell out of the box, but it looks good still.
That maybe what broke the
Hecate?
Hecate. That's what I meant to say.
So we're sleeping over at the Beck house. So that thing happened,
We brought our plants here.
and I was a little bit nervous that meant something about something. Okay, so we got these crazy high ceilings. Oh my god, I didn't even notice that. She's got it all decked out for Halloween, and I know I should probably put some lights on, but I kind of like it better without all the lights on. There are skulls in the fireplace. I don't know if you can see those. The kind...
Those are our enemies. We put them here.
The skulls are enemies. Okay, so the living room. There's Mike lying down on the
On
couch.
this ridiculously long couch.
He's a big guy.
I'm not even touching the other side.
Oh my god.
This
So this is where we're going to do the readings tomorrow, the salon tomorrow in this room. And we got that's all our crap all over the kitchen table, or the dining room table rather. So these groovy, all the doors almost, oh not all of them. So we're on the second floor, and this would have been most likely bedrooms and possibly sitting rooms. There are some really strange, like, just some of it looks really strange. So, where's the light for the kitchen? I'm wondering if at some point this was maybe a bathroom. I don't. There's some strange. Got it all fixed up with. These are some of our snacks for tomorrow for the salon. They've got it all fixed up and full of all the stuff you might need because they run this as an Airbnb, this particular apartment. I was so happy to see that there are some Corelle dishes that I can use tomorrow. I was thinking my teacups. Water, that's good. I love this. She got snacks out. And there's milk in the fridge and cream in the fridge. So let me see if I can get... So that's the hall, like one of the hallways, and there's a coffee area here. There are all kinds of extra towels. And in this way is the bathroom. Am I moving too fast? So there's games and storage in here. Nice big bathroom. here when I was a teenager. I lived here for a few months in the back. There's a little back apartment. And it's all heated with with the hot water pipes. These tall ceilings. Girly old tub. So let me show you the bedrooms. We kind of had that discussion of which bedroom are we gonna sleep in. Oops. There are 2 bedrooms in the unit that you can rent. So this is, I already took all the pretty pillows off the bed. This is the first room. She's got all these lovely embroideries on the wall, and I'm crazy about embroidery. And so because it's Halloween, they've got it all decked out for Halloween. That was on the little dresser here. Aww. I'll be flipping that down before I go to sleep this evening. So Mike was asking me when we had come in the first time, I had got when we had come in. This is the second room. It's really small, but I think the bed is newer in this room. It's my pillow. I think that it's gonna be an interesting sleep. So when I was a teenager and I lived here, I lived in the back unit, and I would have the worst sleeps ever. Now, I'm not entirely sure if that's just because I was a 19-year-old in crisis. However, I would constantly be woken up, but I was younger. So I feel like I didn't have an understanding, or the understanding that I do now about things and stuff. So there's definitely, I feel like I'm just going to be aware. I feel like I'm going to be aware when it's time to sleep. I'm hoping that I'll be tuckered out enough that I will just sleep. But it's sort of been my thing for the last, I don't know, week and a half, maybe 2 weeks, where I'm up like 3 times in the night. So, we're going to do the salon tomorrow. We're going to do it in the living room. Tonight we're going to take advantage of the great big bathtub. I'm going to wash all this makeup off my face. We went to a party. We went to a Christmas party that was, and we all had to play different parts and have different characters. So I had to be a rock star. Can't you tell by my teased hair?
You are a rock star.
Oh, I am a rock star, he said. Thanks, baby. I'm really tired though, and there's prep to do tomorrow, on tomorrow. I brought my laptop just in case I feel the need. I brought some books to write in, and I'll probably keep some close to me or under my mattress or something so I can grab it and write if I need to. There are other apartments in the building, so there's going to be new noises. There's going to be noises from the other apartments, possibly. I'm trying to be very quiet so we can be very respectful of the people who live here all the gosh darn time. So it's not turning into a ghost hunt. It's not turning into walking through the hallways. We're just going to be in this one apartment, chatting tomorrow in the middle of the day, so we won't be bothering anybody. But anyway, I will definitely be reporting in the morning to let you know how the sleep was and just how the whole evening plays out. If I get woken up or if I have wackadoo dreams. So, if you're coming tomorrow, if you bought a ticket for tomorrow, we will see you tomorrow. And if you didn't, I'll probably get online and you can see what we're up to. I was really hoping to catch something in the background as I was doing this, but also if I catch something in the background, we might have to go home.
Luckily, we close to home.
We close to home, yeah. Yeah. So it's all decorated for Halloween. You see the rat? Probably not. So creepy. So creepy. All right, that's it. See you tomorrow.